GAA Classic Car Auction, February 20th, first day, Thursday. Cars are starting to run. It's snowing out today. Don't know how the crowd's going to be, but we have this 96 Silverado up today. Beautiful truck. Step side, four-wheel drive. Southern truck, rust free. Second car we have up's 88 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Classic. 83,000 mile car. Car has had one repaint. That's the original top on the car. Original interior, all except for the steering wheel. Super nice driving car. Last one we have up today is this 2001 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Truck came out of Nebraska. Got the 3.4 V6, 5-speed manual. About 157,000 miles. Stay tuned in the next video. We'll let you know what they bring across the block.